Yes, let's
Good
start
evening, teacher.
dictation. You have to turn on your
Teacher.
camera. Right, today is 12. 1, 2. 0, 2. 2, 0, 2, 1. It's 1 and 2 game. Right. Please turn on your videos. Thank you. Pavit, no video? Sanut, I can't see you, Sanut. Right, thank you. Isula, metupa, metupa, no, okay. Anumi, no, Isula. Okay, Pavit, right, no problem. Right, Navisha finished writing. One, two, finish. Ishini finish. Please double check one letter by letter, double check. Ah, yes. Oh, okay, okay. He has joined. Right. Please raise your hands if you are finished writing. Metupa, Dinuk, Pavit, Jitum, No, no, no. Kala can see you. Right, right. Now you can go. Bye. Quickly go. No,
Yes, Mama. But
don't come again, okay? No, cannot. Right, let's mark dictation. What? Right, I am going to write dictation.
Mama, I'm gonna go other side. Okay, okay, but I didn't have to. Okay.
The pens are there.
But I can't
Give me some time. Sociable. Selfless. Calm. Curious. Common sense. Confident. Understanding. තේරුම් ගන්නා සුළු or sensible. Cooperative. Ambitious. Aggressive. Selfish. Eh, no.
Whoops, sorry, Mama.
Right. Right.
Teach them. Too long
Okay.
and too short.
Don't disturb the class, okay? If you disturb the class, I will send you out. Don't come to my seat. You can do whatever you say. Right. Jitum, how many marks? Met me, how many marks?
10.
10. Okay. Adisha, Sayuri, Metupa, Right, good. Pavit, right, very good. Hirushika, Hirushika, did you write dictation? Navisha, very good. Naditi, Venusha,
12 teacher.
sorry,
12.
12, very good. Janani,
11.
11, good. Sanut,
10.
10, good. Ramika, Dulmi, did you write dictation? Umasha,
12.
12, very good. Isula,
10.
10, okay. Lisandi, Ishini, Ishini, how many marks?
12.
12, very good. Dinuk,
9.
9, okay, but you have to practice more. Anumi,
11.
11, good. Right, so there is new friend lesson today. Okay. I sent you some words to your group. The words from the new lesson. Right. Come to the pupils book, page number 16. Page number 16. Right, there is a big lesson. Page number 16. International Students Conference, Moscow. I have sent you all the Sinhala meanings of the difficult words, right? The words are in your WhatsApp group. So you can write them in your writing book, and later, set by set, we will have them for dictation. Venusha, did you see the words?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, right, good. So you have to write them in the writing book, right? International Students Conference, Moscow. I think you are disturbing them. Right, International Students Conference. Conference means sammelanaya. Moscow. Where is Moscow? In which country?
Russia.
Yes, very good. Russia. Moscow is the capital of Russia. Very good. Vagisha and Yoga were selected to represent Niyojane Karanawa, Sri Lanka as the International Students Conference in Moscow. After the inauguration means Samarambaka Ulela, each pair of representatives, Niyojitayo, had to make a presentation about their country. So you don't have to take the pencil and quickly write down the Sinhala meanings on the pupils book now, because you have all the words in your group, right? That you have to go inside. You are so disturbing. No, that's enough. Read the following presentation made by the two representatives from China and complete the data sheet given at the end. We have a data sheet, Datta Patrikavak, right? Okay, so maybe you can read. Let's go for Umasha. Can you start, Umasha?
Near how hello friends. I am Ming and this is my friends Yan. We are from the People's Re- Re-
Republic.
Republic of China, a country with an ancient civilization and a great history. Our traditional greeting is something like this. Cupped hands left, our right, and chest height. But now we would mostly bow or shake hands. They
Okay,
people
right, stop. I give you one paragraph to read, right? One paragraph for one student to read. But Umasha, you have to practice reading a lot. Read aloud at home and practice reading, right? Let's check. You can see a small picture here. This is something like a student conference, Shishya Sammelanayak, right? So this is an international student conference. So lot of students from different countries because it is international. So there are many nationalities from different countries. Students have gone there to represent නියෝජනය කරන්න their countries. ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ රටවල්. So here you can see that on the stage in the middle there is a screen, a projector screen, and there are two stands with mics so that two representatives can talk at the same time. So two students from each country are going to talk about their country. Let's think. Two students from England speak about England with some slides, projector slides. They show these things are in my country and explain about their country. So another two students from another country. So this is the presentation from two Chinese students. So they are going to, two of them are going to talk about China. Read the following read the following presentation made by the two representatives from China. Ni hao. Ni hao. Hello friends. I'm Ming and this is my friend Yong. I am Ming and this is my friend Yong. We are from the People's Republic of China. Republic means Janarajaya. Republic means Janarajaya. People's Republic of China. Mahajana China Janarajaya. Right? That is the full name. Full name. A country has a full name. So Sri Lanka is our short name. We also have a very long name. Right? We have a full name. So China is the People's Republic of China. Mahajana China Janarajaya. A country with an ancient civilization. Civilization word එක මම දැම්මේ නෑ වචන list එකට. I think you know the meaning. Penusha, what is civilization?
පුරවැසි භාවය
No, citizenship. පුරවැසි භාවය, citizenship. Anyone else?
Ishtachari.
Very good. Is it Pavit?
Isule.
Sorry. Very good. Right, so another bright student in the class. Shishtacharaya, very good. Civilization means Shishtacharaya. Ancient civilization, Parani Shishtacharaya, and a great history, Shreshta Itihasaya. Our traditional greeting, Sampradayika Achara Kirima. Our traditional greeting is something like this. Something like this. Like this can menna me wage. Something like this. Menna me wage deyak. Traditional greeting එක අපේ cupped hand. Cup කියන්නේ කෝපයක් වගේ හදනවා. Right? Cupped hands. Left over right. Left එකට උඩින් right එක at chest height. Chest means papuwa. Chest height. Papuwa mattamata. Cupped hands. Left over right at chest height. Papuwa mattamata. Right? So like this. But now this is the traditional. Chinese are traditional with the greeting karanne like this, no? But now we would mostly means vadipurama. Then api vadipurama bow. Bow means namenama. Right? He's a nama achara karna. Usually you have seen in dramas, Chinese, Japanese, Koreans, they all bow like this. Bow means namenama. They dunna rainbow. Right? Ekanamilane bow means namenama. But now we would mostly bow or shake hand like the English pattern. They also now shake hands. Right. So Isula, can you read the second paragraph?
The people of our country are called the Chinese, and our invitations, just as the compass, gunpowder, the art of paper making and block printing, have contributed immensely to the progresses of mankind. China is the country with the largest population in the world. It is also the fourth largest country in the world with a land area of 9
How do you say that number? Is it millions or billions or what?
million,
Okay.
9 million 5
596,000
596,096
960.
960.
Isula, are you finished reading?
No, teacher.
Read.
Square kilometers. Beijing is the capital city of China. Now, my friend Yong will show you some pictures of our country over to you young.
Yes, Isula, your reading is good, but you have to improve, right? Improve karaganna, vardhane karaganna when you are spelling the words well, but you have to make up your speed, a little speed, right? Good. The people of our country are called the Chinese. අපේ ළමයි හැමතිස්සෙම Chinese rice එක මේක mix කරගන්න. Don't do that. චීන ජාතිකයන්ට සම්බන්ධ ඕනම දෙයක් Chinese. So චීන ජාතිකයෝ Chinese. Later on, let's talk about who we are. අපි කවුද කියන එක next lesson එකේදී අපි සාකච්ඡා කරමු. The people of our country are called the Chinese, and our inventions. Invention, I did not give you the Sinhala meaning. Right. Metupa, what is an invention? Sayuri, what is an invention? Don't take much time. Janani, what is an invention?
උත්පාදනය
Utpadana, yes,
Navanipayum.
very good. Navanipayum. So our inventions, Navanipayum, such as the compass, Malimava, gunpowder, Vedibehet, the art of paper making, Kadadasi Nishpadane Kirime, Kalava. I think you have heard the story about this paper making. Egolo parana redikali aragena eva pongavala loku process එකක්, right? ලොකු ක්‍රියාදාමයකින් තමයි කඩදාසි නිෂ්පාදනය කරලා තිබුණේ. Chinese තමයි මේ හොයාගෙන තියෙන්නේ. So compass, gunpowder, the art of paper making, and block printing. Block printing means අච්චු ගැසීම, මුද්‍රණ ශිල්පය. අච්චු ගහන කලාව, right? ඒගොල්ලෝ තමයි ඉස්සෙල්ලම block එකක් අච්චුවක් අරගෙන ඒකට තීන්ත පොඟවලා print කරන්න මේ විදිහට අච්චු ගහන්න හොයාගෙන තියෙන්නේ. Block printing have contributed. Contribute means help. සහාය වෙලා තියෙනවා. Have contributed උදව් වෙලා තියෙනවා. Immensely. Immense means very big. ඉතා විශාල ලෙස. To the progress of mankind. Progress දියුණුව. Mankind මනුෂ්‍ය වර්ගය. If you open your writing book, දැන් මේ word set එක writing book එකේ ලියලා නම් then it is easy for you. ලියලා නැත්තම් it will be difficult, right? If you have written all the words in your writing book, then please open the writing book and keep next to your pupils book. Writing book එකක් pupils book එක ළඟින්ම තියාගන්න. එතන තියෙන වචනවල සිංහල meaning නැවත ඔයා pupils book එකේ ලියන්න අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. එතන නැති සමහර වචන මම හිතනවා සමහර වචන ඔයා දන්නවා කියලා. නමුත් ඔයා දන්නේ නැත්නම් ඒ වචන ටික සිංහල meaning ලියා ගන්න. Right. So what is the meaning here? මේ කියන හැම invention එකක්ම compass, gunpowder, the art of paper making and block printing have contributed උදව් වෙලා තියෙනවා immensely ඉතා විශාල ලෙස to the progress of mankind මනුෂ්‍ය වර්ගයාගේ දියුණුවට. China is the country with the largest population in the world. Met me, what is population? The population of Sri Lanka is 20 million people.
ජනගහනය
ජනගහනය, very good Isula. Population ජනගහනය. the largest population in the world, right? It is also the fourth largest country in the world. Vishalatwen Hataravana. With a land area, Bhumi Pramane, Bhumi Pradeshaya of 9,596,960 square kilometers, Varga kilometer. Beijing is the capital city of China. What is capital city? Aganagara, very good. Capital city of China. Right. Usually there is an important thing about the capital city. Capital city is not a large city or a more facilities city or a beautiful city. No. The capital city is the city where the parliament of the country is situated, right? That is why maybe 20 years back, Sri Lanka had this problem. What is our capital city? Is it Colombo or somewhere else? Because at that time, අවුරුදු 10කට විතර 10කට 15කට විතර කලින් අපි අගනුවර කියලා හිතාගෙන හිටියේ කොළඹ. Because there are a lot of facilities, lot of buildings and everything was in Colombo. But the parliament was not in there. So we cannot take Colombo is our capital city because the parliament is in somewhere else. Right? So, ලෝකෙම පිළිගැනීම තමයි පාර්ලිමේන්තුව පිහිටලා තියෙන නගරය අගනගරය වෙනවා කියලා. That is why we change our capital city to Sri Jayawardhanapura Kotte, right? So, in China, their capital city is Beijing. Now, my friend Young will show you some pictures of our country. So this is two people conversation, right? Now my friend Young will show you some pictures of our country. Over to you, me. Over to you, can amen. No, over to you, me. Right. So, Sayuri, can you read the next one?
Yeah, teacher. Thank you, Ming. This is the national flag of our country, which has 5 stars in a red background. Mandarin Chinese is the official language of China, and here are some Chinese characters. Renminbi is the currency of China. We have a fast-growing economy as we export, import, and manufacture many goods. Confucianism, Taoism, and Buddhism are the major religions practiced in our country. Over to you from here, Ming.
Right. Let's check the paragraph of any of your books have yuan. Yuan is the currency of China. Do you have in your books?
Oh, teacher, I haven't book, so I got whose book?
No, I mean, do you? I mean, all of your books have renminbi, or any of your book have yuan currency? Isula, what is the currency in your book?
Rupees?
No, not about Sri Lanka. I mean in your book, in this lesson.
Yuan?
Who is that?
Venusha.
Venusha, is it your book, yuan?
Both.
නෑ ඔයාගේ පොතේ currency එක කියන තැන මොකද්ද තියෙන වචනේ?
මෙහෙමයි තියෙන්නේ renminbi yuan is the currency of China.
Right, it is in the brackets, right. Okay, thank you. That's why I was thinking පරණම පොත්වල yuan කියන වචනේ දාලා තිබුණේ නැහැ, but in the new books there is yuan word also. Right, let's check. Thank you, Ming. Over to you, Yong. Yong ta dunna. Thank you, Ming. Now they are showing some slides. Right, you can see this slide screen in the middle of the stage. So they are showing that. This is the national flag of our country, which has 5 stars in a red background. 5 stars in a circle, right? In the China flag, it is red color. And in one corner, there is 5 stars in golden color. The stars are golden, right? The whole flag is red color. This is the national flag of our country, which has 5 stars in a red background. Mandarin Chinese is the official language of China. Official language means Rajya Bhasha, because the Chinese people are using hundreds of language. In Sri Lanka, you know, we speak Sinhala, Tamil, only those 3, Sinhala, English and Tamil, only these 3 languages. But you know about India, there are also, I think 64 or 100 or something languages, lot of dialects. Dialects means upabhasha. Pradeshem Pradeshe, Pradeshiya Bhasha, right? So China, that is very big. So their official language is Mandarin Chinese. Right. And here are some Chinese characters. No characters, no, it is character. Character එකක් කියන්නේ අකුරක් නෙමෙයි. I think you have heard about this Chinese in English. If we talk about English, we have an alphabet, right? We have capital letters and we have simple letters. If we talk about Sinhala, we have alphabet. No capital letters, but we have alphabet. But for Chinese, they do not have an alphabet. They have characters. So maybe they are like this, then they write Amma, something like this. So these we call characters. Right? ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ තියෙන වචන අකුරු නෙමෙයි. සමහර වෙලාවට වචනෙන් වචනට අකුරට පාවිච්චි කරන සංකේතය වෙනස් කරන්න පුළුවන්. Chinese is a very complicated language. Right? Very complicated. බොහොම සංකීර්ණ භාෂාවක් Chinese කියන්නේ. So here මෙතන ඒගොල්ලෝ characters කීපයක් like this. These are fake one. නැත්තේව නෙමෙයි. I don't know Chinese, right? So මේ විදිහට characters කීපයක්. ශීන වචන කීපයක් ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ slide show එකේ පෙන්නනවා. Characters. Right. Renminbi or yuan. Renminbi is the new name. Yuan is the old name. Renminbi is the currency of China. Currency means vinimaya or mudal vargaya. We have a fast growing economy. Vegayan vardhane vana arthikaya. You know that Sri Lanka is, for don't know for how many years, we are still සංවර්ධනය වෙමින් පවතින රටක්. So like that, China is a fast growing country. වේගයෙන් වර්ධනය වන රටක්. As we export, import, manufacture. අපනයනය කරනවා, ආනයනය කරනවා, නිෂ්පාදනය කරනවා. Many goods. Confucianism. Confucius ධර්මය. බුද්ධාගමට ටිකක් කිට්ටුවෙන් යන අවිහිංසාවාදය සහ සෝබාදහම ගැන එකතු වෙච්ච ආගමක්, right? Confucianism, Confucius ධර්මය. Taoism and Buddhism are the major religions practiced in our country. Practice කියන word එක මම ඔයාට දුන්නා. Yes. පුහුණු වෙනවා, රැකියාවේ යෙදෙනවා, ආගමක් අදහනවා. Practiced in our country. Over to you from here, Ming. Again, the microphone is changed to another girl. Right. Metupa, can you read?
Thank you, Wang. If you come to China, there are many things for you for for you to see, learn, and enjoy. Look at these pictures. They are the main tourist attraction of our country. This is the Great Wall of China. This is the Forbidden City, a World Heritage Site that you can see a Beijing. You may have seen pictures of these lovely animals. They are the grand pandas, which are the trident species. Our government, along with its people, are taking many steps to protect this endangered species. Young, can you say something about these tourist attractions?
Metupa, did you write the words in your writing book?
ටිකක් ලිව්වා මිස්. ඔක්කොම ටික
But
ලිව්වේ.
you have to write the other ticker also, right? අනිත් ටිකත් ලියන්න වෙනවා. Okay. Anyone did not receive the words? Who did not receive the words? වචන ටික ලැබුණේ නැති කෙනෙක්? No, right? All of you are in the group. So I think all of you have received the words. So it's just your responsibility to write them in your writing book. Okay. Thank you, Young. If you come to China, there are many things for you to see, learn, and enjoy. ඉගෙන ගන්න, දකින්න, විනෝද වෙන්න ගොඩක් දේවල්. Look at these pictures. They are the main tourist attractions of our country. Tourist attractions. Sancharaka Akarshana. This is the Great Wall of China. So they are showing a picture of the Great Wall of China. China Mahaprakaraya. Right. This is the Forbidden City. Forbidden City is a search kalla balanna internet එකේ something like this. Like a palace, China Maligawak. This is the palace of the Chinese Empire. China Adhirajayage Maligawa තමයි forbidden city කියලා කියන්නේ. Forbidden means තහනම්. තහනම් නගරය. චීන අධිරාජයාගේ මේ මාලිගය කියන්නේ සාමාන්‍ය ජනතාවට යන්න පුළුවන් තැනක් නෙමෙයි. But Mao Zedong කියන විප්ලවවාදියා, right? Mao Zedong මෙයා කැරලි කාර්ය එකතු වෙලා මේ රජතුමාව අධිරාජයාවයි ඒ මුළු සේනාව ඔක්කොම යටත් කරගෙන චීනය ජනරජයක් බවට පත් කළා. අධිරාජ්‍ය පාලනයෙන් අයින් කරලා සාමාන්‍ය ජනරජයක් කළා මාओ සේතුන්. right? ඊට පස්සේ එයා ඒ ප්‍රදේශය ලෝක උරුමයක් කළා. Now people, anyone can visit that place. So this one was happened 100 years ago. So that is the Forbidden City. අධිරාජයාගේ මාලිගාව ඒක යටත් කරගෙන සාමාන්‍ය ජනතාවට පත් කළා. අද සාමාන්‍ය ජනරජයක් විදියට ඒගොල්ලෝ වැඩ කරනවා. So a World Heritage Site that you can see in Beijing. Beijing is their capital. Capital city එකේ අට Forbidden City කියන මේ මාලිගාව බලන්නත් පුළුවන්. You may have seen pictures. You may have seen or දැකලා ඇති. Pictures of these lovely animals. They are the giant pandas, and now they are showing a picture of the pandas. Giant pandas. You're the panda wange picture. They are the giant pandas, which are a threatened species. threatened means තර්ජනයට ලක් වූ. තර්ජනයට ලක් වූ කියන්නේ වඳවීමේ තර්ජනයට ලක් වූ කියන මීනින් එක නෙමෙයි ඊට පහළ. එච්චරමම තර්ජනයට වඳවීමේ තර්ජනයට ලක්වීම කියන එකට ස්ටෙප්ස් කීපයක් තියෙනවා රයිට්. අපි හිතමු ඇනිමල් කෙනෙක් දැන් ලෝකෙන් වඳ වෙලා යන්නේ. එකපාරටම මෙයා වඳ වෙලා යනව නෙමෙයි. පාරිසරික හේතු මිනිසුන්ගේ හේතුන් මාස තර්ජනයට ලක් වෙනවා. ඒ වෙලාවේදී අපිට අග්ගාලා පියවර අරගෙන මේගොල්ලන්ව බේරගත්තොත් අන්න එයා සාමාන්‍ය මට්ටමේ. අපි දන්නේම නැතුව වඳවීමේ තර්ජනයට ඔන්න මෙන්න දැන් මේ හෙට අනිදා මේගොල්ලෝ වඳ වෙලා යන ගානට. that is the second step. එතකොට අපිට බොහොම serious steps පියවරවල් ගන්න වෙනවා. The last step is extinct. already වඳ වෙලා ගිහිල්ලා right එකවරම වඳ වෙන්නේ පියවර කීපයකින්. so pandas ලා කියන්නේ threatened species. තර්ජනයට ලක් වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. species means ශාක හෝ සත්ව විශේෂ. our government along with its people අපේ government එකත් people ලත් taking many steps පියවර ගොඩක් අරගෙන තියෙනවා to protect this endangered species. endangered means වඳවීමේ තර්ජනයට ලක් වූ. young, can you say something further තව දුරටත් මොනවා හරි කියන්න about these tourist attractions. Right, let's go to Janani.
Well, as means sight, there are many tourist attractions in our country. Tourists can learn many different things here in China. We, the Chinese, are good at many things. One of them is the art of self-defense, i.e. martial arts like Kung Fu and Wushu. Kung Fu originated in the Shaolin temples. Chinese circus and Chinese wear are also famous all over the world.
Right, thank you. Okay, let's check. Well, as Ming said, Ming කියුලෙසට there are many tourist attractions in our country. Tourists can learn many different things here in China. We, the Chinese, ඒගොල්ලෝ බොහොම proud එකේ කියනවා. We, the Chinese, are good at many things. අපි ගොඩක් දේවල් වලට දක්ෂයි. One of them is the art of self-defense. Martial arts like Kung Fu and Wushu. Martial arts ගැන අපි grade 9 වල කතා කරා ආත්ම ආරක්ෂක සටන් කලාව. One of them is the art of self-defense. ආත්ම ආරක්ෂක සටන් කලාව. Art එකක් ඒක. කලාව. Martial arts like Kung Fu and Wushu. Kung Fu originate උපත ප්‍රභවය Kung Fu වල ආරම්භය in the Shaolin temple. Shaolin පන්සල් වල right. Chinese circus. දැන් අපි circus කියලා බලන මේ ගොඩක් දේවල් Chinese අය තමයි පටන් අරගෙන තියෙන්නේ. Chinese circus and China wear. China wear means චීන මැටි බඳුන්. ඔගොල්ලෝ history වල geography වල ඉගෙන ගන්න ඇති මේවා ගැන. චීන මැටි බඳුන්. China wear are also famous all over the world. Right, so our last paragraph. Lesson 2, can you read? Right, Hirushika. Can you read Hirushika?
If I told you that this is the end of our presentation, you might think that this is all we have to say about China. It is obvious that this single presentation done by the two of us will not cover everything about a great country like China. With that, we conclude our presentation on China. Thank you.
Shishye. Right, thank you. If I told you, Mangwata Qwoth, if I told you that this is the end of our presentation, අපේ presentation එකේ end එක කියලා මම ඔයාට කිව්වොත්, you might think, ඔයා හිතාවි, you might think that this is all, මෙච්චරයි ඔක්කොම, this is all we have to say about China. It is obvious. මට ඒ වචන ටික දෙන්න බැරි වුණා කොලේ ඉඩ මදි නිසා. So මෙයාගේ sound එක හරිම important. OBVIOUS obvious. So this is a silent letter. Obvious means පැහැදිලිව පෙනෙනවා. මම ඔයාලට ඒ වචන සෙට් එක ඊළඟ සැරේට එවන්න. Don't worry about that. If I told you that this is the end of our presentation, you might think that this is all we have to say about China. It is obvious, itama pahadili, that this single presentation, me tani presentation eka idiripat kirima, done by the two of us, api denna karapu, will not cover everything. Hamadeyamma cover karanne, ආවරණය කරන්නේ about a great country like China. බලන්න ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ sentence එක කොච්චරම heavyද කියලා, කොච්චර බරයිද බලන්න මේ sentence එක. අපි දෙන්න කරපු මේ පොඩි කතාවෙන් China වගේ great country එකක් cover කරන්න බෑ. කියන්නේ තව ගොඩාක් දේවල් තියෙනවා කියන meaning එක, right? So about a great country like China. With that, with that we conclude. Conclude means avasan karanawa our presentation on China. Metana on kiyanne about kiyana meaning එක China ගැන, on China. Thank you. Shishye. පහලින් star එකක් දාලා තියෙනවා. Shishye, the Chinese way of saying thank you. Chinese අය thank you කියන්නේ shishye කියන meaning, right? Okay, so we have to do two things. Number one, now we have to complete the data sheet, right, about China. After that, we have to write a similar data sheet about our country, Sri Lanka. Then, after all these things, we have to write a similar presentation about our country. Then, අපේ class එකේ දෙන්නේ Moscow conference එකට ගිහිල්ලා ශ්‍රී ලංකා ගැන මේ presentation එක කරන විදියට අපි ලියන්නත් ඕනේ. So it is four pages. ආගේ සාමාන්‍ය පොඩි පොතක් නම් පිටු 4ක විතර presentation එක අපිට ලියන්න තියෙනවා. Right. So before that, let's do the data sheet. Take a new page in your writing book and write the date. Take a new page in your writing book. Then write activity 5. New page. Activity 5. Take the full page. සම්පූර්ණ පිටුවම ගන්න මේ වැඩේට. You can take the margin also. රතුරුලෙන් මෙහා පැත්තට ගියත් කමන්නේ. Because we have write lot of information. Data sheet. Data sheet. Right, again pen down. Pen down. Right, let's check what is in the data sheet. Name of the country, population, religion. මෙතන brackets ඇතුලේ S එකක් දාලා තියෙන ගොඩක් තියෙනවා නම් ඔක්කොම ලියන්න ඕනේ. Greeting style. Greeting style ආචාර කරන රටාව. Tourist attraction or attractions. Economy. Economy means ආර්ථිකය. Area. Nationality. Nationality ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ ජාතිකත්වය. Languages. National flag. Currency. විනිමය මුදල් වර්ගය. Inventions. නව නිපැයුම්. Right. Again go to page number 16. Again go to page number 16. Put your finger to the lesson. I will read the full presentation in one shot. Then you can remember things more. Right, page number 16. Right. Ni hao. Hello friends. I'm Ming. And this is my friend Yang. We are from the People's Republic of China. A country with an ancient civilization and a great history. Our traditional greeting is something like this. Cupped hands, left over right at chest height. But now, we would mostly bow or shake hands. The people of our country are called the Chinese. And our inventions, such as the compass, gunpowder, the art of paper making, and block printing, have contributed immensely to the progress of mankind. China is the country with the largest population in the world. It is also the fourth largest country in the world with a land area of 9,596,960 square kilometers. Beijing is the capital city of China. Now, my friend Yang will show you some pictures of our country. Over to you, Yang. Thank you, Ming. This is the national flag of our country, which has 5 stars in a red background. Mandarin Chinese is the official language of China. And here are some Chinese characters. Renminbi is the currency of China. We have a fast growing economy as we export, import, and manufacture many goods. Confucianism, Taoism, and Buddhism are the major religions practiced in our country. Over to you from here, Ming. Sorry. Thank you, Yang. If you come to China, there are many things for you to see, learn, and enjoy. Look at these pictures. They are the main tourist attractions of our country. This is the Great Wall of China. This is the Forbidden City, a World Heritage Site that you can see in Beijing. You may have seen pictures of these lovely animals. They are the giant pandas, which are a threatened species. Our government, along with its people, are taking many steps to protect this endangered species. Yang, can you say something further about these tourist attractions? Well, as Ming said, there are many tourist attractions in our country. Tourists can learn many different things here in China. We, the Chinese, are good at many things. One of them is the art of self-defense, like martial arts, like Kung Fu and Wushu. Kung Fu originated in the Shaolin temples. Chinese circles and Chinaware are also famous all over the world. If I told you that this is the end of our presentation, you might think that this is all we have to say about China. It is obvious that this single presentation done by the two of us will not cover everything about a great country like China. With that, we conclude our presentation on China. Thank you, Shishye. Right. Now, go to your writing book. You can write numbers or you can put stars, name of the country. Then write the name. Number 2, right. Number 3, right. Number 4. Okay. Ishini, do you understand what to do?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Start writing. You can ask me any difficult words. Sinhala meaning liya ganna bari wuna nan tak gala ahanna. Do the activity yourself. Data sheet. After writing, don't forget to draw the margin. After writing, liyanna kalinma margin එක ඇඳ ගන්න එපා. කොච්චර ඉද ප්‍රමාණයක් ඇයිද කියලා අපිට sure නැහැ. This will take nearly 1.5 page. පිටු එකමාරක් විතර යනවා මේ වැඩේට. So, okay. Carefully do. Ask me any difficult words.
Teacher,
Yeah.
teacher ආයි චුට්ටක් කියලා දෙන්නකෝ.
කොයි ටිකද මම ඔයාලට කියලා දෙන්න ඕනේ?
මුල ටික.
මුල ටික කියන්නේ පළවෙනි paragraph එකද?
තෝ teacher.
Okay. Ni hao, hello friends. I'm Ming and this is my friend Yong. Then friends ලා දෙන්නේ presentation එක. ඉදිරිපත් කිරීමක් කරනවා China ගැන. We are from the People's Republic of China. මහජන චීන ජනරජය. A country with an ancient civilization. පැරණි ශිෂ්ටාචාරයක්. And a great history. ශ්‍රේෂ්ඨ ඉතිහාසයක්. Our traditional greeting is something like this. Traditional greeting. සම්ප්‍රදායික ආචාර කිරීම. Cupped hand. Cup එකක් වගේ හදනවා අත් දෙක. Left over right. At chest height. පපුව මට්ටමට. But now we would mostly bow or shake hands. නමුත් දැන් අපි වැඩිපුරම bow. හිස නම ආචාර කරනවා. Or shake hands. අතට අත දෙනවා. Anumi, did you write the words in your writing book?
Oh teacher. Yes teacher.
Yes, good. Then you can do that. එතන නැති වචන. Right, take your red pen so that you can put right marks to your answers. I will take the full board. Data sheet. Number 1. Name of the country. We should write the full name. Full name. People's Republic of China. Right? When we write a name, the prepositions are simple. The names are capital. Right? Remember that when we write a name, the prepositions are simple, the names are capital. Right? Number 2, population ජනගහනය. We don't have an exact number. හරියටම number එකක් දීලා නැහැ. It is the largest population in the world. Largest population in the world. Number 3, religion or religion. There is Confucianism, CIA. Taoism and Buddhism. Right, so here we can have another lesson. You can see all these are ism. Ism means darshanaya, Bauddha darshanaya. Confucius darshanaya, Taoism darshanaya. So here, if you go to the philosophy, right, darshanaya කියන lesson එකකට subject එකකට ගියොතින් all these are different from Christianity, Islam. ඒගොල්ලන්ට මේ ISM කියන එක නෑ. What is the difference? මේ දර්ශනයක ඔයාට කැමති නම් අදහන්න පුළුවන්, නැත්නම් අදහන්න නැතුව ඉන්න පුළුවන්. But a religion like Christianity, Islam වගේ ඉස්ලාම් එන්නේ නැති ආගම් වල අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම ඔයා ඒ ආගම අදහන්න ඕනේ. Right? That's why. ඒ තියෙන rules ඒ විදියටම අනුගමනය කර they are must. In Buddhism මේ වගේ ඉස්ලාම් කියන දර්ශනවල තියෙන්නේ කරන්න. නමුත් අර Christianity, Islam වගේ ආගම් වල තියෙන්නේ කළ යුතු, must කියන idea එක. Right? So Islam කියන්නේ දර්ශන. මේ ඔක්කොම දර්ශන. They have more freedom. Right. What is the greeting style? The traditional greeting style is style is cupped hands, left over right. But now they, it's not we, අපි නෙමෙයි, they ඒගොල්ලෝ, but now they bow or shake hands. Take your red pen and put right marks, not copywriting. Number 5. Tourist attractions. Yes, there is a list of tourist attractions. Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China. The Forbidden City. The Forbidden City, giant pandas, right. And also you can add in the next paragraph martial arts, also a tourist attraction, right? Nowadays, many people from the European countries go to China just to practice martial arts, right? So it is also a tourist attraction. Martial arts practice වෙන්නම ගොඩක් Europeans ලා නැත්නම් tourists ලා China යනවා. Especially the martial arts කියන්නේ fighting විතරක් නෙමෙයි, there is meditation also. භාවනා ක්‍රමත් ඒවා තියෙනවා. So it is a very big language, very big subject, very big area. So Europeans go to China just to learn martial arts, right? And yes. Next one, economy. Fast growing economy. Fast growing economy. වේගයෙන් සංවර්ධනය වන ආර්ථිකයක්. Area, we can write the land area. Square kilometer. Land area. Nationality. Nationality, they are Chinese. Nationality means jatikatwaya, right? Chinese. And another word we have, race. R-A-C-E. Race means jana vargaya. Race, jana vargaya. In Sri Lanka, there are Sinhalese, Muslims, Burghers, Sinhalese, Muslims, Burghers, and Tamils. And there are Malays also. So these are races. But all these people are Sri Lankans. We all are Sri Lankans. So this is our nationality. Sri Lankans, we are Sri Lankans. What is your nationality? You are a Sri Lankan. What is your race? You are a Sinhalese or Sinhalaya. නමුත් ඒක ඔයාගේ ජාතිය නෙමෙයි. ඔයාගේ ජාතිය ශ්‍රී ලංකන්, ශ්‍රී ලාංකික. ඔයා මොන ජන වර්ගයද? Sinhalese, right? ජාතියයි ජන වර්ගයයි හටල ගන්න අපි දෙමළ ජාතිය, සිංහල ජාතිය මේ විදිහට කියනවා සිංහල meaning, but it's not correct in English. English වලදී අපිට ජාතිය වෙනම තියෙනවා, ජන වර්ගය වෙනම තියෙනවා. And the religions again, ආගම, right? It can be different because there are Sinhalese who practice Buddhism and Christianity. Muslims, all of the Muslims, their religion is Islam. Islam. These Sinhalese, Burghers, and there are Tamils also, Christian Tamil. There are some Tamil people who are not Hindus, they are Christians. But usually most of the Tamils are Hindus, right? So the religion can be different. Malays, most of the Malays are Islam. They follow Islam, but there are Christians also, right? So that is our religion. It is our next activity to write about Sri Lanka. So remember that our nationality is Sri Lankan. So they are Chinese. Number 9, language. Oh, sorry, language. Their language is Mandarin Chinese. Mandarin Chinese. Number 10, currency renminbi. Or you can write yuan. Inventions, compass, gunpowder, compass, gunpowder, art of paper making.
Miss National Pack එක
Okay, sorry, I will write that. Paper making. Thank you. So this is number language. Here. This is 11. This is 12. Paper making and one more, block printing. So number 10, their national flag, 5 stars in a red background. Right. Now let's go to the data sheet of Sri Lanka. Take another new page. Take another new page and write the topic data sheet. Right. Take a new page, write the topic data sheet. So write all the topics, all the subtitles, name of the country, population, religions, greeting style, tourist attraction, economy. But now we are doing in pencil. I give you 15 minutes. That means 8:30. I am going to mark this. Write whatever you know. You can open your geography book and find the land area. You know the currency is Sri Lankan rupees. And think about any inventions which were done by the Sri Lankans. Sri Lankikayinge nawanipayum kalpana kala balan. So anyway, write the data sheet in pencil. Start writing. I will give you 15 minutes. You can ask help from your family members, maybe from your sister, father, mother. You know what are the religions in Sri Lanka? There are 4 religions. Tourist attractions, you can write 10 or 20. Start 8:30. You can put right marks in red pen and you can erase and write the correct answers in pen. Right? Because you have written in pencil, you can erase and write the correct answer. Or if you have correct answers, you can put right marks in red pen. Right. Okay, listen the. What is the full name of Sri Lanka? Listen the. What is the full name of Sri Lanka?
Sri Lanka.
That is not. What is your full name?
Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka.
Ah, yes, we have a long name because we follow a lot of political methods, right? It's about politics. So we are not only a democratic. Api සමාජවාදීත් නෙමේ ධනවාදීත් නෙමේ so ප්‍රජාතන්ත්‍රවාදීත්ම නෙමේ ශ්‍රී ලංකා ප්‍රජාතාන්ත්‍රික සමාජවාදී ජනරාජ්‍ය so it's a mix so that is our full name yes democratic socialist Republic of Sri Lanka. See, we have a long name. Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka. Right, number 2. Population about 20 million people.
Miss 22 නෙමේද?
Ah. Yes, this was 5 years ago. 22 million people. Thank you, Methupa. I am sorry about that. Yes, 22 million people. Religion, we have Buddhism, Hinduism, Christianity, and Islam. Right. Number 4. Greeting style. Yes. So we take the Ayubowan and Vanakkam style and also we shake hands. Right? Ayubowan. So here we take both our palms. Palm kyane alla. Take both our palms at the chest height. Papuwa mattamata gene. Right? And say Ayubowan or Vanakkam. ඒ වචනෙත් ගන්න වෙනවා මේ එකතු කරලා අපි ආයුබෝවන් නැත්නම් වණක්කම් කියනවා right so take both palms palm p a l m all take both palms at chest height and say Ayubowan or Vanakkam. Come on. Shake hands. මෙතන තියෙන්නේ and කියන එක right and or shake hands take both palms at chest height and say Ayubowan or Vanakkam. Palm, P-A-L-M, palm, alla. Right, number 5. Tourist attractions. You can write 10 or 15 tourist attractions. Waiting start. Right. Anuradhapura. Polonnaruwa. Kandy. Galle. Galle.
Temple of the Tooth.
Yes, thank you. So before Galle, I will write that Temple of the Tooth. Galle Fort.
Sigiri.
Thank you.
මිස් ඕකට මිස් මේ 6 World Heritage කියලා ගන්න වේ.
6 World Heritages. All right. So including Sigiriya, right? Sigiriya is a World Heritage. 6 World Heritages. දැන් ඔයා මේක ලිව්වොත් ඒ හැම ලියන්න බෑ ආපහු. Right? Okay, so you can write Hikkaduwa Beach. Any animal?
සිංහරාජ
Sorry?
forest.
Singharaja, yes, it's a rainforest. Singharaja rainforest. Did you write any animals?
Elephants.
Yes, because in Europe, they can't see elephants. The elephants are only in Asia and Africa. So European people, they don't see elephants, right? Australia, no elephants. So they come to Sri Lanka to see elephants. Right. So we can write elephants. Also, you can write Peradeniya Botanical Garden or Haggala Botanical Garden, and you can write the Kandy Perahera, because some Buddhist tourists, even from England, there are Buddhist people all over the world. So they come to watch the Kandy Perahera, right? You can write that also.
Many waterfalls.
Yes, many waterfalls, very good. Right. Next one, economy. How is our economy? What did you write to our economy?
Sri Lanka is developing country.
Yes, it's not a growing, developing country. Very good. Samvardhane vemin pavathina rata. This is the word, developing. Sri Lanka is a developing country. මෙයා කවදා develop වෙයිද කියන එක අපි දන්නේ තාම developing, right? Okay, what is the land area? Am I correct?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, 65,610 square kilometers. And the nationality, who are we?
Sri Lankan.
Yes, we are Sri Lankans. We are Sri Lankans. We are Sri Lankans. What are the languages? It's not only Sinhala. Now we can't say Sinhala is the state language or the official language because they have gazette it in the new one. I think not this government, before that government, Yahapalana Rajayen gazette kala. All the three languages are official languages. Kaling Sinhala විතරයි රාජ්‍ය භාෂා විදියට අරගෙන තිබුණේ. නමුත් කලින් ආණ්ඩුවෙන් ගැසට් කළා මේ භාෂා තුනම රාජ්‍ය භාෂා විදියට ගන්නවා කියලා right. ඊට පස්සේ තමයි අපේ identity card වල හැමදේම ගොඩක් වෙලාවට three language වලින් මෙන්නේ. So we can write Sinhala. Sinhala is the language, right? Sinhalese කියන්නේ සිංහල ජාතිකයෝ. Sinhala is the language. English, actually they give Tamil the second place. කලින් English තිබුණේ second language විදියට. නමුත් දැන් ඒගොල්ලෝ Tamil change කරලා තියෙනවා. Next one English. Right, this is the order. It's okay. ඔයා English second place ලියලා තිබුණාට ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. ගැසට් කරලා තියෙන පිළිවෙල ඒ විදිහට. සිංහල, Tamil, English. So these two are second languages. දෙකම දෙවන භාෂා කියලා ගන්නවා, right? So these are our languages. And the national flag. Okay. So in our national flag, ඔයාගේ බලන්න මේ idea එක තියෙනවද කියන එක, right? That's all. හරියටම මේ answer එක වෙන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. I will start from the lion. There is a golden lion. Lion. Holding a sword. Holding a sword in its right paw. එයාගේ hand එක කියන්නේ ඒකට අපි කියන්නේ paw අත. Right paw, PAW. Cats, dogs ලා වගේ ආගේ අතට කියන්නේ paw කියලා, right? In its right paw, it's a crimson background. Crimson background. Background I will write here. That maroon color, or we call it crimson color. Crimson background. Also there are two stripes. 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 Pati දෙකක් තියෙනවා. Also there are two stripes of green and orange. There are two stripes of green and orange. There are 4 bow leaves. Four bow leaves in the corners of the flag. Right, so it's not simple as the Chinese flag. Our flag is a little complicated. ටිකක් සංකීර්ණයි. There is a golden lion holding a sword in its right paw in a crimson background. There are 2 stripes of green and orange. There are 4 bow leaves in the corners of the flag. Currency. Our currency is Sri Lankan rupees, not just rupees. Nikamma rupiyal kiyala liyanna bෑ because India has rupees and I think Maldives also have rufiya. වගේ වචනයක් ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ තියෙන්නේ, right? මාලදිවයින් වල. So we should write Sri Lankan rupees. Capital R. Sri Lankan rupees. Nikamma rupees නෙමෙයි. Right. Pavit, what are your inventions?
මේකින් වෙහිකල්
Making vehicles?
ඔව් අර වාහන ටිකක් ඇදුවේ මෙන්න.
What is the name of that Sri Lankan who invented a vehicle?
වේග
Hand tractor? Is it really?
වේග කියලා
What?
වේග කියලා කාර් එකක් එහෙම ඇදුවා.
Do you mean the mechanism invented by a Sri Lankan? The mechanism?
yes tea.
Do you all agree? Hybrid electronic ignition. So isn't it a combination of that, the hybrid ignition? The hybrid car was not an invention of Sri Lanka. The mechanism, the techniques were invented in another country. So do we just copy that or it's totally a new concept? ඇත්තටම අලුත් සංකල්පයක් දෙතන තියෙන්නේ. Vegetable safety machine. Hand tractor. Okay. But this hand tractor thing make me, I can't agree with you. Hand tractor. Vegetable safety machine. Right, we can take that. Hybrid electronic ignition. Right. So Jitum says hand tractor, let's take that also. Because he says it's a Sri Lankan invention. I don't know about the mechanism. Right, very good. Oh, there is another one. Braille computer key. Okay, the Braille computer keyboard. Right, good, good. So what's the time? Oh, almost there. Right, so next week we have to write the presentation. Right? So it will take nearly 2 hours because it's a long presentation. But from that, after that also, next week we are going to write the presentation. We take 2 friends from the class. Let's think, Jitum and Pavit. මේ දෙන්න presentation එක ඉදිරිපත් කරන විදිහට මේ presentation එකම ශ්‍රී ලංකාවට transform කරලා අපි ලියනවා. Next week class එකේදී. After that you have to write an essay, my country, from the presentation. Right? That is my plan. So අපි ශ්‍රී ලංකා number 1 China data sheet, number 2 Sri Lanka data sheet, number 3 Sri Lanka presentation, number 4 Sri Lanka essay. Data sheet එක අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම ඔයාලට exam paper එකට එන්නේ, but the presentation is here. You may have to write a speech about Sri Lanka. Presentation එකක් විදියට නෙමෙයි, තනි ළමයෙක් කරන speech එකක් විදියට my country එන්න පුළුවන්. My country essay, yes. Keep සැරයක්ම ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා for the O-level paper also. Tourist attractions of Sri Lanka, the beauty of my country, විවිධ areas වලින් my country essay එක දෙනවා. Right? So the plan is China data sheet finished, Sri Lanka data sheet is finished. Our next step is Sri Lanka presentation. After that, you can write Sri Lanka presentation I give. For homework, you can write Sri Lanka essay, right? So that is our plan. This week homework, no. Until we write the presentation, we cannot write the essay. In sapi presentation එක next week ලියලා essay එක homework වලට ගමු. Right. You can mark dictation. දැන් අර වචන ටික ඔයා ලියාගෙන තියෙනවා නම් writing book එකේ. You can mark the dictation from unit 2. Cross the street, walk along, landmark, communication, theater, pleasure, lamppost, conference, represent, representative, inauguration, republic. So there are 12 words for your dictation. Right. Okay. Right. That's all for today. Okay, we have some grammar lessons stuck. WH question tika hira vela tiyanwa, but don't worry. I will do some lessons in the pupils book and turn back to grammar lessons. Right? Api pupils book එක ටිකක් ඉස්සරහට ගිහිල්ලා පොඩි gap එකක් තියාගෙන grammar lessons වලට එමු. Right. So do you have any questions about today's lesson? The China lesson, it's all about the Sinhala meaning of the words. But remember, Sri Lanka presentation and the essay is very important, right? So next week, you must have complete attention on the class. Right. Next week, tamai godakma වැදගත්ම පාඩම ඉන්නේ Sri Lanka presentation, right? Okay. Any questions? No. Okay, then goodbye and good night.
Goodbye, teacher. Good night, teacher.
Bye. Good
Goodbye,
night.
teacher.